Hi, I'm Gary. I'm standing next to my wife Robbie's ginger and turmeric table. Normally this would have thrived here, but this year we've had unseasonably cooler weather and it's still about 6 degrees cooler than it should be. The average temperatures make this a perfect spot to grow ginger and turmeric. This is an east-facing wall, so it gets morning sun, afternoon shade, and it's done really well. This year we've had some problems. Starting from this end, the ginger is kind of shriveled up a bit. The turmeric should be much taller. It hasn't done as well. And on this side, the ginger is doing a little bit better. It's got the protection from the turmeric. It's also closer to the fireplace. So the stucco wall here collects warmth during the morning and it holds it all day. There's a constant breeze coming up from the canyon here. It's a cool breeze in the afternoon, so it cools everything down. So I think it's cooling the wall down and the fireplace, and also there's a constant draft on the turmeric. So what I'm going to do as a solution is I'm going to put something here, and that will block the draft. I'm going to repurpose this sliding patio door. I picked it up for free. It was sitting out on a curb. Sometimes when people replace their doors, they'll leave it out on the curb or post it in the local free ads. It's tempered glass. It's going to last a lifetime. With our new fire code, we have to keep combustible materials 5 feet from the house, so this will work out perfectly. So I've got my panel lifter. I picked this up from Harbour Freight, and that makes things a lot easier to carry. It's light enough that I can do this myself. If you had an extra pair of hands, that would work out even better. So I can get that in the center and I'll take it around the corner and I'll mount it against the fence. So I want the door to start off fairly level. It's going to be sitting on soil. I'm not going to pour a concrete footing at this point. So I just need to remove the wood chips, get that out of the way. That should be good for now. Eventually I'm going to clear the wood chips 5 feet from the house here. This is maybe one spot where I haven't done that. That will keep me in compliance with the new Zone 0 rules. But for now, the door can just sit straight on the soil. I'm going to attach the door to the fence using some old coaxial cable. It's very easy to cut. I just use a pair of cheap scissors. I cut 2 lengths that will go across that far. Left a little extra just for wiggle room. I tied one end to the post here in 2 places. I mounted these up high. That way it'll have all the support it needs. So it's just a matter of moving the door in place. Set it down up against the top rail. Bring the first one across. Loop it around. Pull it taut. I'm just going to tie a knot on either end. It's really just a granny knot, doesn't have to be anything special. So I use the pliers just to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, that's pretty firm. Do that to the one a little lower down. Again, loop it around, push it up against the fence. That's not going to come undone. And that's it. Already I can feel warmth coming through the glass, so this area will be heated up a little more. It's also blocking all the wind hitting the first row of plants. You can see a little bit of a breeze hitting the ones on the outside there. Later on, Robbie might want to do something with the gate because I think that's where the draft is coming. Feels a little drafty there, but that's okay. These are doing okay. These are the ones that need more protection. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I like the idea of using used patio doors. I'd rather see them used like this than end up in a landfill, which is probably where most of them end up. Or maybe the glass is recycled, I don't know. I hope this sparked an idea. Maybe you've got somewhere where you want to protect some plants and this might work out for you. If you want to see more videos on our channel, it's Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy. If you want to subscribe to our channel, feel free to subscribe. When you go onto YouTube, chances are they're not going to notify you when we post a video. So what I would suggest is go to your subscriptions, look for our channel. If it's got a blue dot, that means we've just posted a video and you can click it and you'll see what we've posted. If it's got a red dot, that means we're going live. So sometimes we do go live. With that, thanks for watching. Elsie, I forgot to bring you over here. Okay, what are you doing? With that, thanks for watching, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Goodbye.